There we go. This video is brought to you by CanadaType.com. Wait to the end of the video for an amazing offer. Alright guys, Eddie Davin back again. If you notice, I have this machine open. This is MGI JETvanish, and we're having issues with it. I was told by an operator this morning that some of the sheets, and now we're printing this. This is just 100% gold foil on synthetic material. So this is 100% synthetic, and there are issues when running synthetic through equipment like this because of the heat processes. Hence the curling, right? So that is very typical when you work with a synthetic material. We do have a process though to be able to have it stick properly. The dine level, we had to treat the surface. But going through the MGI, it does actually lay down the varnish well up until this stage. So if you notice, just take a look over here, guys. So if you notice down here, there is a piece of paper. I'm gonna pull it out. And this is actually a good one. It's still varnished. But the problem is that, as you saw, it goes down through these rollers and it gets sucked through the belt around that roller. So instead of exiting this way, it actually gets sucked to the bottom. And I was trying to do many different mitigations to try to solve this issue. Checking static, because right now we're in the dead of winter. It's Canada, very cold. Even though we have static control, it's sometimes tough to mitigate that challenge. But I did try static, it didn't work. But I thought about this. What if this unit, this is the heating unit, and there's two. As you guys probably know, that if you have this type of equipment, you have a flash and you got the secondary UV unit. I was thinking that maybe it's heating the belt too much and it's making the rubber belt sticky in a way that is kind of grabbing the sheet. And the belt is supposed to be a little bit sticky because it's rubber and it's made to move the sheet, but maybe it's making it too sticky that is actually sticking to the actual belt, hence wrapping around. So we're going to actually try this. I am going to try taking the job now, loading up the settings. This is the JVTI software. So right now we're just really working with the settings and nothing mechanical. I'm going to go to the job and let's do this. I want to kill this 100%. Because that, I believe it's dry too, which is the area that we're having an issue. I believe that's causing the problem. Second, there are these fans. I'm gonna go back to here and show you. So there are these fans that suck the paper down. This one, maybe it's sucking it too much. So let's turn that off. Let's go back to the software. That is Z3. Z3 is 40% right now. I'm gonna turn it to 0. And let's give it a shot. All right, moment of truth, guys. So it's running through. Nice. It just barely made it, but it did work, and I'm glad. And there you go. The end result looks good. Ran through it. I think we're ready to go. I think the machine is back up. I'm going to close it up. Hopefully this helps someone. Again, when running synthetic material, there are some adjustments on the machine that you can do. And in this case, it was an easy one. Just some settings in the JVTI software. All right, that's it for now, guys. Thanks again, and hopefully I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now. This video is brought to you by CanadaType.com.
You're a professional designer. Are you still using those sketchy font websites? That's not a real download link. Don't click on that.
Stop right there.
You're building your career on quicksand. Those shady-looking font websites are legal traps and harmful to your computer. Even if you survive that malware, hiding behind the fake download button, you're stuck with work that looks generic. To stand out, you need Canada Type. No sketchy ads, no malware, just clean professional fonts, and the licensing is crystal clear. You pay once, and you're safe to use it for client work. No lawsuits, no headaches. The variety is insane. From psychedelic to Canadiana, these are distinct flavors. The best part? You can test drive every single font in the browser. Instant preview, no guessing. Look at these fonts. Their unique geometry breaks the standard grid. It's the difference between looking like a template and looking like a pro. Don't be a rookie. Go indie with Canada Type. Use the code BigDogs30 for 30% off.